Hello everyone, my name is Tariq and welcome to the fourth episode of Lens Studio Beginner Templates. So in the last tutorial we learned how to use the segmentation template when we replace the segmentation of the camera with an image. So in this tutorial we're going to learn something more interactable. We're going to use the animated object template. We can put one or more interactable object in the real world. So let's follow up in this template and see how can we use this template. So as you can see here, we have two 3D objects. Interactable means like you can interact with these objects using your finger in Snapchat. So if you use this on the phone, you can see if you use two fingers, you can scale this, you make it smaller or bigger. So how can we replace these things? For now, I'm gonna turn this off for now. For the elephant, I'm gonna replace the red panda. So as you can see here, it says replace me. Once you just remove this one from here, and all you need to do is put your own 3D object. So I'm gonna use one of the objects here on the Snap Asset Library. So I'm going to use, for example, the kitty ones. I'm gonna import it, and all I need to do is just take this 3D object and drag it to the world object controller. Like this, you can see it here in the resources. Just drag it over here or like this, and you can see it over here, and you can see the red kitty here, right here. So all you need to do is go here and scale tool, and then scale the kitty like this, and just move it to the box here in the middle, and that's it. This is your 3D interactable object. So you can also see different options, like you can go to Sketchfab website, which is had free 3D objects you can download. For example, I'm gonna use dance keyword. Make sure you click downloadable so you can download it. And if you want it to be animated, press animated. There's like paid 3D objects, and there's also free objects. For example, I'm gonna pick this one, the first one pop up here. So you're gonna download 3D model. So Lens Studio supports only FBX, GLTF, GLB. It doesn't support UTZ, so mostly the FBX is the best option for you. So click download here. Once you download it, open the file. Then you can see the source. Just go to the source, open the RAR file, and then open the file, and you can see the FBX. Just move it and drag it here to Lens Studio. Once you do this, click import. Now we have the kitty, but we want more than one. So let's go back to the elephant that we turned off in the beginning and remove the elephant from here. And then let's drag our 3D object that we download from Sketchfab over here. And then let me put it to the middle and scale it a little bit like this. Let me scale it. So you see the model comes with a plane, but we don't need to use this plane. How can we remove this plane? So not all of the 3D objects come with the plane. You can just easily turn this off, the match edit, so you can press on the plane and just right click and delete. Let's go back to the 3D object, turn it on, all of these things, and that's your second 3D interactable object in Lens Studio. So you see it's like flipped, you can just move. So the rotation is like going to the other side, just flip it to 180 like this and it'll be straight. So this is your 3D object, and this is the second one, interactable ones in Lens Studio. So this is how can you use this template. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you like this tutorial.